Want to program your key fob for a 2007-2013 Chevy Silverado yourself? Good news. It's a simple process that doesn't require special tools. These trucks use a 314 MHz radio frequency for keyless entry. You'll be reprogramming the truck's receiver to recognize your fob's unique ID. This involves a sequence of ignition cycles and button presses to sync the fob with your truck's computer, ECU. All you need is your Silverado and the key fob you want to program. Make sure you use a compatible OEM or aftermarket fob, and fresh batteries are a must. Ensure you have an OEM or compatible key fob for your truck, such as an AC Delco or a reputable aftermarket brand from Amazon. Also, grab a new battery for your key fob. A weak battery can cause programming failures. Start by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position without starting the engine. 2. Press and hold lock button on key fob. 3. While holding lock, cycle ignition off to on 3 times. 4. Release lock button. Truck enters programming mode. 5. Press and hold lock and unlock buttons for 15 seconds. 6. Door lock cycle. Fob programmed. Repeat for additional fobs. If programming fails, check the fob's battery and ensure you're using the correct sequence. Pressing unlock instead of lock can cause the truck to enter relearn mode, requiring an ECU reset via OBD2 tool.